So that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into quick updates. What I have going on here. The first thing that I want to kind of talk about is my sense of the market. We have been in, more or less the holiday months here. And so very few listings are popping up. Not very many people are actually hunting. And it could be the combination of just Corona or, just the holidays and everyone slowing down. However, I have a feeling due to our data on pre-approval letters and the amount that are actually live in the areas that we're looking, it's growing, right? And one other data point that I want to talk to you about is what is the listing price, what the price of the asking listing agent is versus what was the final price of purchase. And in the last couple of years, at the peak of every market, we're looking at 102 to about 105% above, listing, or 5 to 10% is like extreme, right? Now we're seeing creeping back to those levels, the 10%, the 15% above listing. So I believe that just maybe in just the Bay Area here, or Californians, we're kind of over being scared that the market will crash, or like home values are going to tremendously dip due to the lack of economic activity. But I think this year, coming into 2021, savvy investors understand now, like the market is fine. There's still demand out there. And, we just can't be stuck in the San Francisco, Oakland Peninsula area anymore. The majority of folks who have, pre-approvals for $1 million last year looking in the peninsula, they're willing, due to, work from home, extending a little bit longer than normal. They're okay with going to Concord, Dublin, Castro Valley, anywhere in those pockets, because your $1 million that you used to look at and say, gosh, I hope I can get this 2-bedroom. You can get a nice SFR. You can get a really, really new construction condo, which is what a lot of my clients are doing right now. So I don't know if that's going to burst anybody's bubbles, but yeah, Concord, Dublin, it's hot, right?
Perfect.